How to use ultra wide camera on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can use ultra wide camera on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you don't know what ultra wide is, for a demo you can open up your stock camera app here and then you can just go to this 0.5. This is the maximum width it can actually capture over here. Now you can basically change its resolution as well, but what it means is that by default you have this 1x, and if you go to 0.5x, that's basically the maximum that you can go for your ultra wide camera. If you want to utilize this on an Instagram story or anywhere else, you can just open the Instagram app here, tap the story icon here. Now just select camera. This is the default view for your ultra wide camera, but let's say you want to switch to ultra wide. What you want to do is simply take two fingers and then simply pinch in like this. So if you pinch out, it's going to be zoomed out. If you pinch in, it's going to get zoomed in like this to the very maximum, as much as it can go. If it doesn't go beyond this, then this is the maximum one that your phone can support. If you're on iOS, you'll also see the little logo that is ultra wide. Now if this doesn't help, then what I'd recommend you do is simply open the stock camera app itself. You can try to take a photo using your ultra wide camera or a video depending upon what you want, and then you can come back to Instagram and then basically just choose to upload that photo instead. So you can tap the plus icon here and then just go ahead and then basically choose that ultra wide photo that we just clicked over here, which basically has a lot of difference, as you can see. This way you can use the ultra wide camera on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.